Hi friends, in this video section I will tell you about a software you can use in your class. So that name basically is Classroom Presenter. You have to search that with this name, Classroom Presenter, and this software is developed by Virginia Tech. Room Presenter, you click it. So here you can see this page of University of Washington Computer Science and Engineering. So UW University Washington Classroom Presenter developed by them. So Classroom Presenter 3.1 version is this one, was first made available August 16, 2008. It has since been updated numerous times to fix various bugs, account for change in newer PowerPoint versions. Earlier version can be found on the download page. Key addition to the Classroom Presenter are quick polling, localization to Portuguese, Spanish and Chinese, and support of images. The text facilities have also been improved significantly, are currently available. So when you will open this page, you will see this kind of window. So you have to download this page by clicking it from here. So you can see here Classroom Presenter downloads and the version of that, student only version, PowerPoint plugins if you required. These are the source code. So this Classroom Presenter 3 you can download by this section. Left hand side you can see here various parts related to this one. So just click and again you will see here this is. After downloading the software, when you will run this program and click the button, then you will see such kind of window. Here you have to start a new presentation. First step is that you have to choose your role. You are network with the student, instructor, public display, or want to stand alone as an instructor like me right now this time. So dual monitor output I enabled. So I am starting step 2, that is start presentation. So start a new presentation. So now you are looking that there is no slide, and here some basically tab you can see. Number 1, file, edit, view, tools, decks, student help. So first of all you have to click this decks, and in this decks the number 1, create a blank whiteboard deck. So I am clicking it, and you can see here the screen is white. This is your whiteboard. Now the second part step, now set deck background color. In general I use black color, so this black color I have selected from here. I define my custom color, that is black. I want edit to the custom color here, and now okay. So you can see now blackboard, right? If I have to write anything, then I will select the pen. This is my pen, the color is white, right? So if I have to write anything, I can write here. If I have to select another color like this yellow one, I can write yellow. The third, this one, next one, further. So you can see here the different color, or if you want to add new color, to select the custom color pen from here. The pen type, basically this is the width, you can see in this screen the thickness of the pen. If I increase it, so then you can see here again the thickness, right? So this is just for the width. Round, what type of shape you are giving to that, round or in a square form, what type of color you have select here. So there are number of options in the color box. You can select red, yellow, green, blue, whatever color is of your choice, you can select that. Right, so I'm defining the custom color and now adding into the custom box. So, okay, and now you can see that color, and now okay. Further, so this color you can see here. So there is a big variety of choose the colors. So this was about the pen and the colors here. And second point is, this is your highlighter. If I have to highlight anything, I can highlight by using the yellow color. This you can see, this one, right? If anything I have, but in black background this is not required and not visible, it is visible in white background. This is the small eraser. You can see that by using it you can erase whatever you have written. If I have to insert any image, then I will use this option. Suppose in my presentation I have to use image, then I have to use this one. By using this classroom presenter, you can use your PPT also. So here use this tab deck, insert slides from the deck. Where is your folder? So here you can see there are number of slides, so I am using this one, different format, CP3 for the classroom presenter, and PPT, PPTX, PowerPoint formats. Here I have inserted the slide. You can see here this point, this one. So this is the slide. So when you are giving the presentation, if you have to mention anything, by using the pen you can mention anything on that. By this way, here I have taken the snapshot of my internet speed. So this, in this way you can explain, right? So this is the best, I think classroom presenter 3 is the best one to present anything. Instead of showing the PowerPoint presentation by using the projector, you can use this way, and here you can correct wherever you think that you have to explain or explain the particular figure or whatever you want to show. You can use that in this way, right? So this is just for that purpose. And if you have to minimize the current slide to make the notes, you want to write something, then click it, then it becomes shorter, and here you can write in that reference, right, by using your selected pens. So this was just about the PowerPoint presentation, how one can insert the PowerPoint presentation. And when you connect your desktop or laptop with the projector, the projector basically reflects what is going on the screen, right? So this is the best way. Now the second point, in Dex you set slide background color. Here I have selected the black color. Now you can select any other color. So I am selecting white. So define, add into the custom colors, and now okay. So the next slide, here again it is black. So what I am doing, set slide background color white only for this. No, okay. So you can see here in this way, for a particular, you can select it, and this tab is for the next slide. You use this black again. So by using this software you can make attractive your presentation, and there are many features here. In file you can save a single deck as we save the Word document file, or when you create a number of decks, these basically slides, you can save all decks. Export as in image form, HTML form, right? Page setup, print preview, print, you can whatever you like. A similar way as in the Word, there are number of features available here. Student, so this was the classroom presenter. I hope it will help you. If you have any question related to it, you can just message me. And thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, then please like,